Alright guys, welcome back. You know how much I love beef and you know how much I love Thonburi. So I thought today I would combine the two. I've headed down to Bang Phai MRT station to get a giant mixed beef hot pot. Alright, so let me show you exactly what I've ordered. So I've gone for the neua and the luk chin yang. Anyway, beef balls grilled and also those beef skewers that I just showed you. And then I've got star of the show, this incredible looking MRT ruam, which is a mixed beef hot pot. So let me show you what we've got. We've got neua, which is stewed beef. We've got some sliced beef. We've got some beef tendon balls, some luk chin. We've also got, we've just got that sliced fresh beef that we saw her cutting up earlier. So we've also got some tripe that we saw her cutting up as well. This is the second chamber of the cow's stomach, I think. Now I can deal with this one. This is the white tripe. So the white tripe I can do, black tripe, not for me. If you saw my beef video, which was just a beef offal shop in Chinatown, definitely not. But for me, the stewed beef, the neua, looks absolutely incredible. The soup looks delicious. We've also got some tap neua, so we've got liver, beef liver, and this has all been cut up fresh and just blanched very, very quickly, so everything's hopefully going to be nice and soft. I've got some sen lek noodles, or sen mi noodles in fact, and a bowl of rice, and that's to put this hot pot on top. So I'm going to stop talking, I'm going to start eating because I'm absolutely starving. Alright, so first I'm going to stick in some pick bun, some chili flakes. Next goes in that pounded chili vinegar that you always get with beef. Soups, oh look at that. Alright. This very rich, lots of spices in this soup, so we're going to use a fair bit of vinegar because I like my soup sour. Alright, we're not going to use that, that's sugar. And I think it's salty enough, so I'm not going to use fish sauce, but you always get fish sauce. Right, let's get some chopsticks. Oh, look at that now. Look at the colour of that. Oh, beautiful. I'm going to use the rice first. So we're going to start by putting our ingredients onto the rice. I'm going to try all of it. So I'm going to get some liver. I'm going to get a beef ball. Oh, I can get all. Beef ball, tripe, and some stewed beef. Look at that. All right, let's get some more of the soup. Try and get some veg, which is pat bung, or morning glory. So first I want to try the liver. That is so good. Just cooked. I was worried a little bit because sometimes with these hot pots, where they heat them up and it keeps it hot, it actually overcooks everything. But he'd cooked that liver for such a short amount of time. Actually, it's perfect. All right, next up, neua, stewed beef. It's absolutely melts in your mouth. Like, I'm talking some of the softest. It's taken on all the flavors of the Chinese spicy pudding. So I saw him put in cinnamon, and I saw him put in star anise. So I know they're in there, but I thought there was cloves in here. Maybe there's not. It's peppery, it's a little bit sweet, it's very salty. There's like 4 different types of soy sauce in here. I saw him put them in, and one of them I actually use at home, which is called Seoul, which is a tiger special soy sauce from Ampua. So at least I know I'm doing something right. All right, I'm gonna try and get some of that tripe. I don't know if you can see that. All right, now this is where I might struggle. Not a massive fan of tripe. It's actually all right. It's not bad. It doesn't taste of much. It's just got a really odd texture. It's like slightly rubbery, a bit like beef squid. Now I can deal with that. I'm not sure what the actual benefits of eating tripe are, but I will look it up. Because I never really used to eat that much liver, but now I eat it all the time. Now I found out it's so good for my brain. Do you think that I've got a little bit smarter in these videos since I started eating a lot of liver? Yeah, let me know. The soup base itself, packed with flavour. You've got all of those Chinese spices, then he's added in all that soy sauce, really salty. Little bit of rock sugar. So there's a slight sweetness to it, but very, very slight. So you can add more sugar if you need to. The gratiam jiao, the crispy fried garlic they put on top, just adds another dimension. You've got all those bean sprouts, you've got a bit of lettuce, and you've got some pak bung, so you've got lots and lots of veg in there. That's why I like beef noodle soup. It's one of the only soups you get here that actually has quite a lot of veg already in it. Had no problem with the offal, no problem with the tripe. The neua poi, absolutely incredible. The sliced beef, delicious. Top soup. So as I said, I would usually order this with noodles. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some onto the send me noodles that he gave me, just to sort of replicate a noodle soup. So I'm gonna get some of the liver, some of the veg. I would definitely go, if I came back here and I ordered a noodle soup, I would go for that. Look at that bad boy, neua poi. So I would definitely just get the stewed beef, I think, and not bad at all. All right, so I'm gonna grab a little bit of this. Again, the send me, he's put a little bit of like crispy garlic oil on top for extra flavour. I'm coming round to this way of eating it. So the bonus you have with having the pot with the soup in and then having the noodles separately is that you can kind of just make your own. So if you don't like it too soupy, just put a little bit of soup. If you want more soup, you can put more soup on. And then sort of everyone can take a bowl and then add, like I'm on my own, so it doesn't matter. I've put mine already into the soup, but you can put your condiments in your own bowls so everyone can have their own noodles, which is nice. Absolutely incredible. All right, next up we've got the neua yang with the jim jiao. All right, so I'm gonna have a little dip in the normal jiao. The main flavour I'm getting is coriander seeds. There's like cracked whole coriander seeds on this. I'm guessing pounded coriander root, some soy, a little bit of sugar. There's some work to do with it, to chew through it, but it is really, really good. These are worth coming down here for alone, by themselves. Very, very good. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna try the second jiao, which is like the sweet tamarind one. Oh, all right. Next up, grilled beef balls. Not really, they're all right. They're not really for me, I'll be honest, they just taste like, they're the same beef balls that are in the soup, they're just grilled. And the sauce is good. They're all right, like if I'd had a couple of drinks, I could probably eat them. I think this is the kind of thing that you have to have grown up eating as a kid. Like cheap hamburgers. Like or cheap sausages on a barbecue in England. Like there's always something nostalgic about it, so you would eat it without a problem. But if someone else came over from like Australia that knew what a burger's meant to taste like, they wouldn't understand why you're eating it. Do you understand? That makes sense? So yeah, not for me, but they're okay. The sauce is good. Honestly, the soup's unbelievable. And I saw him making it fresh. There's no powder, and none of that. It's just meat. Like pure meat and bones. soy goodness and garlic. Oh, delicious. Can I just say this now? I know pho is considered to be the best soup in the world, the Vietnamese soup that everyone knows and loves. I eat it when I go there, but it compares in no way whatsoever with Thai beef noodle soup. We need to get a campaign going to get Thai beef noodle soup recognised as the best noodle soup in the world. So bottom line is, absolutely fantastic soup, well worth coming to. It is literally outside Bang Phai MRT station on the blue line, so it's one stop past Bang Phai or before Bang Phai, depending on which way you come in. Very easy to get to now, especially if you're coming from like Chinatown, goes or Old Bangkok. It goes all the way through actually to Old Bangkok and up to Sukhumvit. So no excuses, guys. You do have the artist village there, so you could get off here in the morning, have your breakfast here, then walk round to the artist village, then have lunch a little bit later, and then if you wanted to, you could finish it off by going up to Wat Pak Nam, the giant Buddha, for sunset. That would be nice, wouldn't it? That's a proper day. So I'll stick some links to some other videos in the description box. But for now, guys, that's it from me. Thank you again for all your support, all the comments, guys. I absolutely love the comments that everyone's giving me. It gives me a real chance to sort of interact with you guys, which is the main point of this channel. Thank you for everyone that's been sharing the videos and liking. That really does help. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, because if you don't hit the bell, it's just pot luck whether you see these videos. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Up to you, and I will see you guys in the next one.